Hey dude, that's it. All done. I made my good day everyone. Welcome back. It's the next day and I'm just getting set up to do a shifter. Where it is. Well, so far I don't have a machine lat or anything, but I basically just gonna do this on the drill press, and I have a vise here. I don't know if this is will be useful for me, and a good old aluminum file, and that should do it. It'll be just like carving a piece of wood, and aluminum is softened up material, and it'll be like cutting like butter. We'll see what happens. All right, and I guess the first thing I have to do is find the center of this and put some holes in it. But it doesn't really have to be, perfectly centered, because like I said, I'm gonna skin off from it anyway. I'm gonna chop it up pretty much, and about half an inch, maybe a quarter on each side, depending on maybe I should have gotten a 1.5 instead of 2, but we'll see. I found my my center. Doesn't really have to be perfectly centered, but I think if I can just hold it. And where's my safety glasses? Can't stress enough wearing a pair of safety glasses. I can't afford to get another eye. Yeah, if anything happened, hopefully nothing happened, but it's better to be prepared. All right, and what else do I need? Let me see if I can hold it. You have to have much experience, and if it gets stuck on you, just let go. So put some, put the whole build deepen up. It's better to be deeper than shallow, but you can always adjust. That should be it. And I'm gonna go to the next size. My plan was to put a bolt through there. I'm not sure what's. I think it's 1.5 M10, I believe. Put some holes in it wide enough to accommodate this bolt, and then run it through, and then lock it. And then I'm gonna cut the head so I can put it on the chuck. So I've done this one on this drill press before, so it will be So once the head of the bolt is cut off, it will be in a drill press like so, secured. Then I'll just chop away, you know. As soon as it starts turning, then I'm just gonna put my file like so, and then I'll cut like butter. And that's the idea. So I'll say probably some good maybe 2 hours. Yeah, I think I made a mistake. I should have gotten a look how the difference between these two. I should have gotten a 1.5 instead of 2 inches, but should be okay. See what happens. So I'm just gonna put up the bigger size of the bolt. Well, let's put some threading on there. So, found my my tap. Hopefully, I can get it centered all the way. I think I reached the bottom. Okay, I finally got my my setup going. Kind of wobbly. No, this is gonna take a while. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start shaving it and grind it. I think that would be best. Otherwise, it will take me forever. It would take me forever to use that file. So what I'm gonna do is I'm chopping it in an angle just to help me out a little. Otherwise, it's gonna be a slow process. Well, it's finally taking its shape. It's like a pear. Man, I'm gonna be here all day. I thought it was like 2 to 3 hours, but it's not. I lied. Whew. Well, it's finally taking its shape. It's like a pear. Man, I'm gonna be here all day. I thought it was like 2 to 3 hours, but it's not. I lied. Whew. Well, it's taking its shape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove it from the drill press, and I'm gonna help myself chop the top up in an angle like I did on the bottom part here. So that's a lot of material to remove, and that's it. Man, check it out. Oh, I need some more polishing. There's a lot more scuff. Man, ooh, this is not bad. I guess I need to polish it. Ow! Ooh, I think it's hot, dude. It's hot. Well, this is how I found it. It's a lot easier to remove some material with a flap disc and just run it through. Otherwise, I would have been there for days. Alright. It's amazing that you could tell the material who their master is. Huh? How about that? Just need a little more polish and be good to go. I'm gonna let the motor rest a little while. It's been going for like what, 2 something hours or 3 hours. Alright, that's it. I'm well satisfied on this one. That should be it. I'm not even gonna polish it or anything. I'm gonna leave it that raw finish. And maybe I should hit it with a Scotch-Brite or something. Let me see. Put it on. The moment of truth. This thing is hot, man. Actually, I don't need the nut. I think I can just get away with that. Let me remove them. Whew. It's always sit more deeper. Whew. Thing is hot, man. Oh. Alright guys, you'll be the judge. You tell me if I need to buy one. You tell them who is the master. There you go. 17 bucks. Awesome. That will be it for today and probably for this weekend. So I probably won't be putting any more vlog for a while. The only thing I got left for this car is the exhaust. So I gotta finish that 3-inch muffler. But parts are coming. So, but anyway, you tell me who's the master. It's amazing that what can you do? Now you can go to a car show and really tell people that, yep, I built that car. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and be safe, and till next time. Bye bye.